how much should you actually spend on a telescopic fishing rod? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. You see all these rods claiming to be portable, strong, and ready for any fish, but most feel flimsy or break after a few trips. Today, we're cutting through the noise.
Product number 1, Placino 5.91-foot combo. Let's start with the Placino 5.91-foot rod and reel combo. This thing is dirt cheap at under $30, and it's flying off the shelves with over 1,000 sold last month. It's made with carbon fiber and fiberglass, weighs just 267 grams, and collapses down small enough to fit in a backpack. If you want something lightweight and travel-friendly for casual bass or trout fishing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24-ton carbon fiber gives it decent sensitivity and strength for its size, and the stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts help reduce line friction. That means smoother casts, even with monofilament or braided line. The HA3000 reel has a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio and holds up to 240 meters of 0.20 millimeter line, which is solid for small to medium freshwater fish. Plus, the EVA grip feels comfortable even after an hour of casting. But honestly, this isn't built for big fights. Now, some people complained about the reel feeling a bit plasticky and the rod lacking backbone when fighting larger fish. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're not buying a tournament rod. You're buying a backup, a travel rod, or something for your kid to use. It's not going to handle pike or heavy surf fishing, but for $30, it does exactly what it promises. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend angler who hikes to remote lakes or travels often and needs something compact. Skip this one if you're targeting big bass or saltwater species. It's not built for that kind of pressure. For the price, it's a steal if you keep expectations realistic.
Product number 2, Placino 8.86-foot full kit. If the last rod felt a bit too small, this Placino 8.86-foot full kit might be your sweet spot. At $44, it's still affordable, but comes with way more. Rod, reel, line, lures, hooks, and even a carrier bag. Over 1,000 sold in the past month shows people love the value. If you want a complete beginner-friendly setup that's ready to fish right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The longer 8.86-foot length gives you better casting distance and control, especially in windy conditions or when fishing from shore. The carbon fiber and fiberglass blend makes it durable without being too stiff, and the 12+1 shielded ball bearings in the reel means smoother retrieves, less wobble, less frustration. The CNC machined aluminum reel seat resists corrosion, so it'll last longer near saltwater or humid environments. Plus, the included lures and accessories save you $20+ on starter gear. Now, some people complained that the carrier bag feels cheap and the lures are basic, more decorative than effective. Here's the thing though, you're not buying this for pro-grade tackle, you're buying it for convenience. The bag holds everything and the lures are enough to get bites from curious bass. If you're teaching someone to fish or just want a grab-and-go kit, those flaws don't matter much. This is perfect for you if you're new to fishing or want a gift that includes everything. Skip this one if you already have reels and lures, you'll end up with duplicates. For the price, it's one of the best all-in-one deals out there. Product number 3, MNCI Risa2 6.8-foot twin pack. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for couples or friends who fish together. The MNCI Risa2 6.8-foot twin pack. For $40, you get 2 full rod and reel combos, plus a carrier bag and accessories. It's a rare 2-for-1 deal, and over 1,000 have been sold recently. If you want to fish with a partner without buying twice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each rod is 6.8 feet, made with fiberglass and carbon fiber for a good balance of flexibility and power. The spinning reels are 3,000 sized with foldable handles and reversible crank arms. Great if you're left-handed or sharing with someone who is. The epoxy resin guide rings are surprisingly sturdy for the price, and the whole set weighs just 800 grams total, so it's easy to carry. It's ideal for freshwater bass fishing in lakes or rivers. Now, some people complain that the reels feel a bit loose after a few uses, and the rods can feel slightly unbalanced when fully extended. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end setup. It's a budget-friendly twin pack for casual use. If you're fishing once a month with your kid or a friend, it's more than enough. But if you're fishing weekly or targeting bigger fish, you might notice the limitations. This is perfect for you if you want to share the experience without spending $80 on 2 separate kits. Skip this one if you're a serious angler or need saltwater durability. For the price, it's a fun, practical choice for social fishing. Product number 4, Placino 1.8 meter surf rod. If you're heading to the beach, this Placino 1.8 meter, that's about 5.9 feet, surf-focused rod is a different beast. Priced at $33, it's built for saltwater with corrosion-resistant materials and a stronger backbone. It's not the longest, but it's designed to handle surf conditions, and over 300 sold shows it's got a niche following. If you want a compact rod that can still throw lures into the surf, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24-ton carbon fiber and welded stainless steel guides are built to resist salt corrosion, which is a huge deal if you're fishing near the ocean. The reel seat is CNC machined aluminum, so it won't seize up after a few saltwater trips. The HA3000 reel has the same 5.2:1 gear ratio and line capacity as the others, but the rod's action is stiffer, giving you better hook sets when fighting fish and currents. Now, some people complain that the shorter length limits casting distance compared to full-size surf rods. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to compete with 10-foot surf sticks. It's for light surf fishing or when you're wading and need something portable. If you're not trying to cast a mile, the trade-off in size is worth the convenience. This is perfect for you if you're a beach angler who values portability and salt resistance. Skip this one if you need long-distance casting or are targeting large surf species like striped bass. For under $35, it's a solid entry into saltwater telescopic rods. Product number 5, Placino 8.86-foot 2-pack Premium. The Placino 8.86-foot 2-pack at $84 is the premium option here. Double the rods, double the reels, double the accessories, all in one heavy-duty carrier bag. It's pricey, but you're essentially getting 2 full kits that would cost $90+ separately. Only 100+ sold, but those who bought it are serious about value. If you want a high-end telescopic setup for yourself and a partner, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each rod is 8.86 feet with the same 24-ton carbon fiber and ceramic guides as the single version, but now you get 2 complete rigs with lines, lures, and hooks. The reels have 12+1 bearings and corrosion-resistant parts, so they'll last years with proper care. The carrier bag is padded and organized, perfect for weekend trips or fishing vacations. Now, some people complained that the price jumps sharply compared to the single kits, and the extras don't add much beyond what's already included. Here's the thing though, this is for people who want everything in one purchase. If you're buying for 2 people, it's actually cheaper than buying 2 singles, but if you only need 1 rod, it's overkill. This is perfect for you if you're planning a fishing trip with a friend or want backups for different conditions. Skip this one if you're solo fishing or on a tight budget. For families or fishing buddies, it's the best value in the long run. So which one should you pick? The $30 Placino is great for travel. The $44 full kit is perfect for beginners. The MNCI Riso Twin Pack is ideal for couples. The $33 surf rod handles saltwater, and the $84 2-pack is best for serious duo anglers. No single rod wins everything. It depends on your needs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. We're breaking down more gear soon.